Okay, how to find x here, right? Now this is, you need to think this as a polygon. Now this has how many sides? 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 sides you can call as pentagon, but this is not what the regular pentagon, right? Because these sides you can see are long, this short, but this is not a regular polygon. Because you can tell this angle and this angle, this triangle equal, but this is 90 and this is also 90, so that's why this is not regular polygon. All angles are not equal and all sides are not equal, right? So how to do this? Yeah, we need to find total size of this interior angle. You need to remember, if it is 5 side will be 540, but if you have no remember, you can use this formula to get that answer, 180 in minus 2, right? Now here 180 in mean number of sides, here 5. Okay, I will show you that stuff also here, right? Here 3, 5 minus 2, 3 into 180 mean 540, right? Okay, now you can write, because 540 mean this all interior angle together, if you add together it will be 540. So we can write 90 plus 90 plus 3x plus 3x plus 3x, that's the all 5 angle, this and this and this too. So this all must be equal to what, the 540, right? Now here will be 180, here will be 9x, 3x plus 3x plus 3x, so here will be 540. Now 180 when I bring to here, from 540 subtract 180, it will be here 360, here 9x. Then both sides, if you divide by 9, you can get the answer. Here x will be equal to 40 degrees. That's the answer.